Bonjour tout le monde. Today we're talking about les adjectifs or adjectives. Now, in French, adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns, just like as in English. Examples of these could be green, big, stupid, crazy, ridiculous. And in French, these adjectives will actually follow some special rules that we don't have in English. The first is that adjectives must agree with the gender and the number of the noun that they are describing. We remember that we have a gender and a number for every single noun in French. And that's different from English. But our adjective actually has to relate and match that same gender and number. And the second rule is the placement. Adjectives in French are placed after the noun, which is the opposite of English. And we'll talk about that in another video. So while we're focusing on gender, you have to realize that all French adjectives have a gender, just like all French nouns have a gender. And they can have either a masculine or a feminine gender. You'll see here that I have a masculine noun, un chat, you can see that from the article, and a feminine noun, une chatte. If I'm going to use an adjective to describe un chat, I need to make sure that that adjective is masculine, because un chat is masculine. And it's going to be the gender of your adjective is based on the gender of your noun. So if I'm describing une chatte, a feminine cat, then I need to make sure that my adjective is feminine. Now, like I said, there are two different genders. The masculine of any adjective is actually what you're going to find in the dictionary. So if you look up the word tall or big in the dictionary in French, you will find the word grand, just like that. That is your masculine singular form, grand. Okay? To get your feminine form, so if we're talking about cat still, and I have une chatte, and I want to say it's a great cat, I will take my masculine form, and I'm going to add an E. So then I will get une chatte grande with the E added to the masculine form. Now, remember, if the adjective already ends in an E, like we have jaune, J-A-U-N-E for yellow, and you want to make it feminine, it already ends in an E, so you don't need to add anything extra. So that means for those adjectives, the masculine and the feminine singular forms are the same. Then you have your number. Like I said, you're going to generally find the masculine singular form of an adjective in the dictionary, okay? And you need to make sure that your adjective agrees with the gender and the number of the noun, okay? You either have a